Lawrence, please lead the prayer. Start now. Amen. Good afternoon, class. O- Okay, please be class.
Good
Good afternoon,
afternoon.
sir.
Good afternoon,
Okay,
sir. Good afternoon,
okay,
sir.
please be comfortable now. For we have new topic. Okay, now please for those turning on their mic, please turn it off now. Okay, can you see the slide? Class, can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at the or observe the colorful flowers. Okay. Class, in picture one, the label one, you have the green, red flower. Number two, white. Number three, it has a red on the center and white on the side. And the number four is a color pink. Okay, so here are the questions. Now, which numbers of flowers do you think are the parents? When you say parents, class, it composed of one mother and one father. Now, between these four colorful flowers, which do you think are the parents? Okay, I'm going to call one to answer. Crisia, Rizia. Turn on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Which do you
Yes,
think are the
sir.
parents?
Sir.
Number one.
Number two.
Hmm?
Maybe.
Aw, ano din?
Sir.
So what?
Number three.
Oh, number three and
Number three, sir.
number three and
Number four. Four.
number three and number four. Okay. How about? Thank
Ah,
you.
oh,
Uh, how about Carolio, Joshua?
Sir, one of two.
Okay, one and two. Let's find out. Which do you think are the offspring or ilang mga anak? How do you think they were formed? Or which do you think are the offspring? You have their mother and father and the two children or the two offspring. Who do you think, class? Asa ka nila? Ano man to? Okay. Asa kay anak-anak nila? Duha. Okay. Joshua said that the parents are one and two, while Crisia said the parents are three and four. Now, which do you think kaha are the offspring? Kanto now.
Four ako, sir.
4 and
3.
okay, 4 and 3. Okay, now we're going to uh, go back that later and find out if your answers are correct. Will there be another variety of this flower aside from that of the pictures? For you class, will there be another color aside for the pictures? Chia,
Sir.
yes na. Now, this one, what type of genetics explain this phenomena? Why there are a lot of colors even if they are the same species? Okay, we're going to find out later. Now, this one, direction, watch the video on YouTube about non-Mendelian genetics. Type the link in your browser. Now, guys, I already posted this on your LMS. So, go to your LMS account class and watch the video. I posted it in your LMS so that we cannot encounter problem like malloading. So, dito ta mag-watch sa inyong LMS. Okay, open new tab. And then go to your LMS account. And then, did you find the video already, class? Did you find the video already? Huh? Okay, if you find it already, okay, you can start watching now. Okay. Okay, are you done watching? Okay, if you are done, kindly turn on your cameras now uh, for those cameras that are off. Kindly turn it on now. Okay, so I think you are all done watching the video. Now, these are the questions. If you really watch it, so you can answer this one. What are or what is non-Mendelian genetics? They are known as Sima Franca Monique. They are known as
Incomplete Codillion, Delian, polygenic, and something that starts with E, sir. Forgot.
Okay. So they are the types of non-Mendelian genetics. Okay. Very good, Sima Franca. AC, do you have any additional information that you wanted to share to us? What is or what are
No, sir.
non-Mendelian genetics? Okay. Okay, class, non-Mendelian genetics are those what we call breaker, meaning they do not follow genetic patterns. Okay, so they are known as non-Mendelian genetics. So describe the outcomes of each type of non-Mendelian genetics. What are the four types of non-Mendelian genetics according to the video? Okay, what are those? Give me one again. Kanto now. One.
Kuan, sir. Incomplete dominance.
Okay, very good. Incomplete dominance. What else? Iya.
Codominant.
Okay, very good. Codominance. Bivilin.
Polygenic traits.
Okay, polygenic. And the last one, Chia.
Epistasis.
Okay, very good. Those are the four types of non-Mendelian genetics that are mentioned in the video. Okay, now, we're going to find out what are those non-Mendelian genetics. Ato silang ilahon. Now, this one, what diagram are we going to use to predict the outcomes of the offspring? The one that on the video, the square, that's what we call a Punnett square. Or if you want to find out unsa kay outcome if mag-unite okay ang red and white. Okay, what would be the outcome? Og pila sad kahay kabuok. Oh, so now before we go to the next activity class, okay, ato sa ni siyang balik ta diri sa one class kini. In the video class, incomplete dominance meaning you cannot identify which is the dominant or which is the recessive. When you say dominant class, for example, mag-unite, like for example, na imong mama, like for example ni class incomplete dominance class for example, imong mama kanana ang taas like for example, imong mama taas og ilong, imong papa mo buog ilong, okay, ang result class, ikaw, ang ilong class, para sa ako, naglakad lang agi. So meaning, wala niyo nakita asa dapit, okay, ang kataason sa ilong. Muna siya incomplete dominance, murag di ka makaingon ba ay naliwat na siyang papa kahit ang mama kahit as ilong, di ka makaingon that's incomplete dominance, dili nimo mahibaw-an kung asa ani naliwat. Okay, walay makita ba? Okay, like for example ari class sa red flower and white flower, for example the parents class, okay, kinsa gito ni answer class no, the parents are 1 and 2, si
Ako.
Joshua. Okay, very good. Joshua is correct. The parents class, to. Ako sa ipakita ha. In this picture class, the parents are 1 and 2. Muna siya class, muna parents. The 3 and 4 is the offspring. Kinsa gito yung answer 3 and 4? Si Chia. Pag ito yung answer. So 3 and 4 ang offspring. Ha?
Kantunaw.
Okay, Kantunaw. Very good. Okay, these are the offspring class. Now, if I'm going to ask you class, if 1 and 2 are the parents, if we are going to follow the incomplete dominance, meaning di nato ang ilang offspring di na makahibaw, di nato makita ang red and white. Oh, muna siya simple uh, word. Di nato makita ang red and white. That's incomplete dominance. Now, kung ang parents white, red and white, what would be the offspring class? Kung sa incomplete dominance, asa man ka ang offspring? It is 3 or 4? Oh, who wants to answer?
4, sir.
Who wants to answer? Iburan? Iburan.
Yes, sir.
For example, if the parents are 1 and 2, if they unite together, and then if you follow the incomplete dominance, what would be the offspring? It is 3 or 4?
3, sir.
3. How about Lawrence? If a red and white unite and we follow the patterns of incomplete dominance, what would be the result? Huh?
Sir?
If red and white unite and we follow the incomplete dominance, what would be the result?
3, sir.
3. May pagpak. Okay, Pipito, Nelia, where are you now?
Meron ako dire, sir.
Oh, sige. Nawa imong signal.
Sir, my answer is 4.
Okay. The correct answer, Iburan and Lawrence, if we follow the incomplete dominance, as I said earlier, the offspring of incomplete dominance, di nato makita ang ilang parents. Now, the parents are the red and the white. Now, if incomplete dominance, di nato makita ang red and white, so the answer is number 4. The result is pink. Now, asa man makita din nato dire ang red and white? Wala. The color pink alone, di ta maka-identify asa ang red, ang asa ang white. That's the incomplete dominance. Now, if we're going to follow the pattern of codominance, when you see codominance, if they are work together in the teamwork, now, the product of codominance, okay, the product of codominance, as what the video said, makita nato ang red and white. So meaning, if we follow the codominance pattern, listen carefully class, because this is the last topic before first quarter assessment. And I'm going to get a lot of questions in this topic, ha? Okay, paminaw. Plus maghimo tag Punnett square, ha? Bisog ba po class? Okay, listen ha. Kung sa codominance class, makita na to ang red o white. Kung mag-unite ang parents nga red and white. So the answer, kung follow ta codominance, the answer is number 3. Ano man, we can identify man na ay red sa tunga and ang white sa kilid. That's a codominance. That's the concept of codominance. Class, nakuha na ninyo the difference between incomplete and codominance? For those did not turning on their camera, I hope you listen, ha? Wao kahibog dito, lakaw-lakaw ra ka din ha, class. I hope you listen. This is not for me, this is for you. Okay, as much as possible, mag-comment si Diri ka pala makakan mo, ha? Okay, I hope lang yun nga kanang nag-off silang camera, wala na naglakaw-lakaw. Okay, kaya ako sa Juko kahibaw. Okay, now, direction class, we are going to predict the outcome of the following parents. Make a Punnett square, give their genotypes and phenotypes, and identify the type of non-Mendelian genetics. Class, we are going to answer this later because as early as now, I did not discuss you more on the incomplete and codominant. So this one, if blood type A unite with blood type B, what should be the result? Okay, we're going to on this one. Answer this one. Your mother long white hair, imong papa kulot og buhok. What would be the result? Oh, like this one. Now, we're going to discuss to you the non-Mendelian inheritance. Okay, the non-Mendelian inheritance. This is a very yes, important for us. Okay, kung makahibaw ta asa ka kanaliwat. Okay. Now, kindly read please Sima Franca.
Non-Mendelian
All,
inheritance.
tanan din ha. Read.
Okay. Non-Mendelian inheritance is any pattern of inheritance in which traits do not segregate in accordance with Mendel's laws. The traits that follow a non-Mendelian pattern of inheritance are incomplete dominance, codominance, pleiotropy, polygenic inheritance, and epistasis.
Okay. So again, non-Mendelian inheritance is any pattern of inheritance in which traits do not segregate in accordance with Mendel's law. Plus, in your grade 8, do you have the lesson about Mendelian pattern or Mendelian inheritance? Like for example, if ang dominant is A, so ang recessive kang dominant kay class mo siya daghan, dominant mo brag nag-isog kayo ba? Ano yung si recessive kang di kay maklaro? Di man naman na sa Mendelian inheritance sa klase sa grade 8 ninyo? Did you forget na already? Hoy, class, nakaklase mo ng Mendelian inheritance in your grade 8? Okay. Again, this non-Mendelian inheritance does apply in which traits do not segregate in accordance with Mendel's law. Okay, wala ni siya nisunod sa Mendel's law. The traits that follow a non-Mendelian pattern of inheritance are what we call incomplete dominance, codominance, pleiotropy. Again, class is pleiotropy class is just like codominance. Okay, and this is not a very important because this is just like codominance. And the other one, polygenic inheritance. And the last one, epistasis or epistasis. Now, let's find out the incomplete dominance. Or what is incomplete dominance? Kindly read, please. Miramon. Riley, please read incomplete dominance.
When a dominant allele or form of gene does not completely mask the effects of a recessive allele in the organism's resulting physical appearance shows a blending of both alleles.
Okay. So again, incomplete dominance. In other words, class, when there is one dominant allele, you say one dominant allele, for example, red flower and white flower. And then, ang red class, let's say, dominant siya, ang red flower. Giingon sa incomplete dominance na dili siya makamask sa white flower, meaning di niya mahurot og kaon. Or other words ba, for example, kung dominant siya class, meaning kung magsagol siya sa white, so red jud mo makita na to ang result. That's a Mendelian. But sa incomplete dominance, dili maka-complete ug mas ang red sa white. Okay, murag musuko sad ang white ba. So, and the result class, mag-blending ang both allele. Okay, meaning diri sa in-kuan class, diri dito sa non-Mendelian inheritance, wala na ng dominant, wala yung recessive, meaning puro sila mga isog. In other words, class, puro mga isog. Why magpapildi? So, wala yung dominant, wala yung recessive, puro mga isog. Okay, mga itong hunaon ha. For example, kung mag-blend gani ang red and white, okay, kung dominant ang red, ang white sa di palupig. So, wala guri makadaog nilang duha. Since there is no such thing as dominant, so therefore the color is the combination of red and white, which is pink. Okay? By the way, class, for those writing class, I am not, for those writing, do not write it anymore because I'm going to post this on your LMS. Ha? Maminaw lang sa di sa write. Naaral niya sa iyong LMS. Ha? Again, ang incomplete dominance gani class kay both allele are very strong. Okay, why magkalupig? That is why class, if mag-combine ang red o ang white, so walay makapildin lang duha, so mag-blend ang ilaang color. If ang red and ang white mag-blend, meaning mag-mix, they form color pink. Sabot? Okay, very good. I hope class, again, kining nag-on silang camera. I hope they are listening. Okay? I hope they are listening. Okay. Next. Okay, example class. This one. Ready in your LMS. LMS ba? Video. So, example. A snapdragon flower that is pink. This one snapdragon flower, na siya pink. Meaning there are 4 the pink color as a result of cross-pollination between a red flower and a white flower, where neither the red nor the white flower are dominant. Meaning class. Between the parents, let's say the father is a red and the mother is white. So in non-Mendelian inheritance, we are going to assign a number. The one is a big letter or capital letter, and the other one is small. Let's say your father is happening red, so you are going to assign color red and red. Duha. Your mother is small letter R, red and red. Okay, now if this red and white will done cross-pollination, the result would be how many pink? There are 4 pink color. This is what we call Punnett square. Okay, Punnett square na siya, class. Now, sir, anong duhaman jud na nanang duhaman ka number gid? Wala mo nahibong class anong duha ka number R og R ding small r sa gamay. Okay. Anong wala lang mo nang kana. Sir, anong di man usara ka R? Anong duhaman jud ka R na duha ka capital letter R, duha ka small letter R, anong dili man ana? Class, since wala mo lang utana, I don't know kung nakasabot sa gid mo or umot na lang yun na ako minakuyawan ninyo. Okay, class. Maunang duha na ka R, capital letter R na sa red, tungod kay kana si red class, gikan sa na siya sa iyang mamagpapa. Okay, mo lang duha, R og R, since ang R class result na siya sa iyang mamagpapa, so butang na tong R, duha, capital letter R, meaning dominant siya tahay. kusog ang iyang dugo nga red. Ug iyang mama sad atong butangag small letter R kay man pwede magpuro di man ang isa kinahanglan small man. So since white iyang mama, so small letter R kay because we use naman capital letter R, nahuman naman ta sa iyang papa, so iyang mama butang atog small letter R duha. Now, kung isog kini si mama nimo, manapog si iyong papa di palupig, ang result ani class blending of red and white. Oh, class, can you see the kuan? Ala, luoyan ni. Okay, class. Diri sa ta. First ko capital letter R. Look at your slide. Tutuki sa na class sa kanang na Punnett square. Dili sa maghuk-lihok tutuki sa kung sa tagsaon. Tutok sa anang sa Punnett square, di sa maglihok-lihok. Lawrence. Tutok sa bantay niya. Mag-start na sa R nga capital kanang una sa red. Now, if we are going to have a cross-pollination, R i-mix na to siya sa first nga small letter R sa ubos, R and R, the result is capital letter R, small letter R. Sa tagsaon na to, ikaduha na sad. Second R nga capital sa babaw, R. Kuan na sad siya sa small letter R. This is the result RR. Durag tagsa-tagsaon nimo ba? Okay? That's a cross Punnett square. Nakuha niyo class, tagsa-tagsaon ninyo. R times R, mo na siya yung result. Isa na sad. R times R, balik katulad ng pinakababaw na sad isa. R sa ubos. Kuha ninyo class. Kasi wa ka nakakuha. Kasi wa nakakuha. On how to make a result ba? Sa Punnett square. Like for example, R nag-meet sa siyang mama, the result capital letter R, capital letter small letter R. Kaduha na sad. Imong papa sa ikaduha nga R nga dako, balik na sa iyong mama gamay. Capital letter R, small letter R. Balik na sa pinakadako nga R sa una. R mo cross sa ubos nga R sa imong mamang gamay, the result R. Balik sa ikaduha na sad nga R nga dako, mo mix na sad siya imong mama. Ana ra. Tagsa-tagsaon. That is why you have 4 results, 4 pink color. Okay? Next, this one, codominance. When you see codominance, there is okay, kindly read codominance. Lawrence, read. Lawrence, please read. Sino pangatawa ng Krizya ha?
Codominance is a form of inheritance wherein the alleles of a gene pair in a heterozygote are fully expressed. As a result, the phenotype of the offspring is a combination of the phenotype of the parents. Thus, the trait is neither dominant nor recessive.
Okay. Thank you. Again, codominance class is when the allele of a gene or kanang genotype mong gene ba? Okay? Mong liwat. Pair in a heterozygote. When a heterozygote class, it is from the both parents nga imong nada are fully expressed, meaning, for example, ang imong heterozygote, this one, For example, ang codominance and multiple allele. Example, your mother is white, your father is red. The result is you have makita ang red, brown man yun. Brown di man red. Okay, let's say red. Red na lang ni class. Red naman na siya. Okay, makita ang red and makita sad ang white. Now, for more information about the non-Mendelian inheritance, we're going to continue this tomorrow. And please, mohangyo ko nga dili mo absent. Bahala, wala kayo signal. Basta magmakita lang nimo ang PowerPoint. Madungog lang akong tingog. Okay na kinanako. Okay? Sige. I hope nagkasinabot. Kining duha, si Lawrence Priscilla katawa.
Si Lawrence Rosero.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lead the closing prayer. Lawrence, ikaw mo tinag-lead kanina.
Start na, sir.
Start now.
Then the Father of the Son of the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for the blessing that you give. Sorry for the sins that we've committed. Please guide us to the agreement.
Amen. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Take care.